Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change key text size in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click right mouse button icon of Start, and after that you need to go to Settings. Then from the left panel we need to select Personalization Settings, and here we need to scroll down and find here something like Text Input, Touch Keyboard, Voice Typing, Emoji and more. Input method editor, we need to open this bookmark, and here we need to scroll down and find here something like touch keyboard. We need to click on this option, and here you will see 4 available options. One of them is key text size. On default it is set to small. I recommend you first open a keyboard, then you will be able to see the changes. So for example, I will change the key text size from small to medium, then text size will be increased. And if you want to try the large option, I recommend you to select it, and then it will be large text size. So in this way you can change key text size in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.